How to set up a Bluesky account. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to the search bar and type in Bluesky. At the very top, you will see a link that says Bluesky. Click on that. When you do that, then you will land to the official website. It's somewhat similar to Reddit. On the top left side, you will see two options, create account and sign in. If you already have an account, then click on sign in or click on create account. There are 3 steps in total. In the first step, you will need to enter your email address, password and date of birth. After entering those things, click on next. In the next step, you will need to choose your username. Type in your username and click on next. The third step is to verify if you are a robot or not. Simply click whatever is prompted. Now you will see your profile setup. Firstly, set a profile picture. You can just skip it if you want. Now click on all the things that interest you. You can click on as many as you want. Then click on continue at the bottom. In the next slide, you will see something like this. Simply click on next or click on skip. Along with that, you will also see other slides like these which are not very important. And just like that, your account has been created. That's all for today. Thank you.